Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eves once here again. Today I'm going to show you how to whiten your teeth naturally and also get rid of bad mouth odor. This is so quick and easy, and it's 100% natural. It works 100% and you're gonna see an instant result. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna need some coconut oil. I have here about a tablespoonful of coconut oil. Now you're gonna need some baking soda, and I have here about a teaspoonful of baking soda. Now mix everything up to form a smooth paste. Make sure you don't have any balls of soda inside. This is like a natural toothpaste. Now get your toothbrush and take a pea amount of the paste. Brush your teeth with it and don't forget any part. Don't forget to brush your tongue too. Yeah, it tastes a little bit funny, but it's not that bad. Afterwards, rinse out your mouth with lukewarm water. This paste gets rid of mouth odor instantly, and when used regularly, it's gonna whiten up your discolored teeth. You can keep the rest in a little container and use it the next day. Since it's so easy to make, I don't recommend you making a large amount. Just make it in bits. So this is it guys, I hope you like this video. If you've not subscribed, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.